Hey, good morning, Don here. We're at the gas station filling up. Hey, Cliff, I wanted to show you this here. You see this right here? That's going to prevent the ladder from sliding forward, okay? And there's one over there, I'll show you. And then we also have a guide here and a guide here. Now we have one here, so this one doesn't slide off anywhere. And there's another one over there. And then we have the big boy right here, as you can see. That's going to prevent anything from happening bad to you there. Make sure your buddy comes and welds that stuff up for you. And this way you'll be 100% safe. All right, and then I got another guy. The tip number on that wide angle tip's a 4015. And when I get to the job this morning, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate both tips. The wide angle tip, the 4015, and the other one, the 1520. All right, and that'll answer everybody's questions today. We just got done filling up with gas. And that'll last me the rest of the week. So there you have it, right? I'm going to be doing a roof wash this morning, pool cage, house, and driveway. So it's a total package. It's going to be a good day today. Hopefully that helps you out, Cliff, and hopefully that helps you out over there, Colin, with your question about the tip numbers. All right, let's get after it, and we'll see you at the job, baby. All right, we're almost to the job. Here's a job that I do every year right here. Check that out. Looks good. Still looks like $1 million. Nice clean driveway. Now this house we're going to be doing today, it's a little one, but it's going to be a mess. And we'll be there in just a second. When you pull up on it, you go, ooh. Ooh. This is probably not too busy of a road, I hope, because gonna have to. These are older homes. That's a newer one. Look at that log cabin right there. Okay, here's where we're gonna be working today. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull right in the front yard here. Hopefully I don't get stuck. This is the house. And we'll be out in a minute to review it. All right, we'll be right back. All right, let's have a look around. It's pretty moldy. Some mold there. Mold on the front. The roof is going to be like a reddish color when it gets cleaned. We'll just soft wash all this stuff. Nuke the place. All right, get around the back here and check this out. I don't know if there's a gate back here or not. Probably not. Let's see what it looks like from right here around the other way, and we'll be right back with you. All right, let's have a look from back here. Oh yeah, we'll be able to get all this. No problem. Now, I think they said there's some stuff dripping down from the gutter in here. Let's go ahead and come in and see what we got. I guess this was a pool at one time. They just filled it in. I think it leaks. There's a spider web. Ah, get away from me. All right, well, we'll have to get a ladder and see what's going on up there. All right. Looks like we have our work cut out for us. But we're going to hook up that soft wash system and we're going to get after it. All right, let's go. All right, we got everything primed and ready to go. I just want to hit the front of the house. You can see that it's already turning orange right there. We'll just soft wash the whole place. Let's get the roof and let's get after it. right, the house is coming along nice. Got all the way down from there all the way to there. Dwelling really good. The roof's starting to show its color. I gotta take the wash jet tip and blow all that stuff off of there. Probably do that right now. Then we'll put some more juice up there, then we'll get around the other side. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a quick review. Front of the house looks new. Look at the roof, nice and red up there now, huh? Everything's coming out nice. Just gonna spray a little bit more right up here. Then we're gonna mosey around the other side and knock this baby out of the pack, all right? All right, let's get after it. All right, as you can see, it's black. See the red underneath the peak, and there's the mud dauber right there, that big spot on the wall. We'll get that with the wash jet tip. Got all this mold here. All right, we'll be able to reach all this from here. You can see everything. That's gonna be good. I can get all this. Then we'll probably have to jump up on the ladder in the back and get the rest of it. Blow some leaves off and finish it up. All right, it's coming out good. I really like the proportioner, man. See, you guys, I can use a soft wash when it's needed. See? All right, let's get after it. All right, check out the roof. It's a red roof in, folks. Everything came nice and clean, huh? It's an old roof, but it's a clean one. I think they're gonna try and buy the place. Hopefully the roof passes inspection. You can see it. And it's all clean all the way up there. It looks good. All right, now we're gonna come in here and get this pool cage. That used to be a pool cage, but now it's a wannabe pool cage. Anyway, we're gonna come back here and rinse all this stuff off, and it's gonna be satisfying. We'll be moving this thing around because there's a lot of stuff to rinse. Clean this table off. Let's go ahead and go right here. I think this will be a good spot, huh? All right, let's get after it. Let's have a short look. Okay, as you can see, that's cleaned up real nice. The roof's good, ceiling's good. The cage is nice and clean, all the mold's gone. Now I got the edge done all the way around, so we're gonna go get the mini Mondu and we're gonna tear this thing up. As you can see, that's the color it's supposed to be, and this is what we got here. All right, this is a small little pool. I would have kept it myself. But anyway, you know, when the pump blows out and you can't afford it, what do? You know, if you can't afford to have a pool, then you got to fill it in. But that's a shame that they did that, because when it rains, this thing just keeps overflowing onto the deck and it makes a mess, all this stuff laying around. All right, let's get after it. All right, now we're going to use this wide angle wrench tip like I was telling you about. It's the 4015 wrench. And let's see how it works. Let's get after it. All right, folks, that's what you call a miracle, right? When we came in here, this place was a mess. Look at it now. Looks good. Everything looks good, 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 good. Homeowner's going to be happy with this. Roof came out nice. The house looks good. We got one more thing to do, then we're done. I got to come back here and grab this ladder, grab the hose, bring it back around the front. We'll set up and get the mini Mondu rocking and rolling. It's patiently waiting right here. So we're going to set this down by the road here, change batteries, and then we're going to put the icing on the cake, baby. Get this driveway popping. It's going to look really good when this is finished. And the homeowners will be here shortly to pay me. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. Your driveway came out really nice. We didn't even rinse it yet. Look at that. The windows are sparkling. The roof's nice and red again. I mean, that's an old roof. It's as clean as you're going to get that sucker. Anyway, now for the satisfying rinse. All right, take a look, huh? Looks good. Everything came out squeaky clean here. A lot better, a lot more better. The roof came out nice. Driveway looks popping. Roof is back to being red again. Look at that. Good work. All right, that's a wrap. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. Ding the bell and be notified of all the pressure washing craziness. I'm Don, and that's a wrap. Get after it. All right. That job took, I got here at 9, 3 hours and 40 minutes. That's a pretty good time on that job there. That's the roof, house, pool cage, and driveway. In 3 hours and 45 minutes or so. 40 minutes. 12:40. So, man, that proportioner worked great for me today. I really liked it. It did a good job on the roof. And everybody's happy. And they paid cash. Can't beat that, right? All right, man. Hope everybody's having a great day. And that wrench tip, that 15-20 wrench tip's about this wide. Wide angles, way wide. And that's the 40-15 tip. And I apologize for giving out the wrong information before when I was talking about these tips. So the 40-15 is the wide wrench, and the 15-20 is the narrow wrench, all right? All right, guys, have a great day. Cliff, I hope that helped you out a little bit. You got to get those parts welded onto your rack there. Nice rack, but get something to stop the momentum of those ladders if you ever get in a crash. If you don't have those on there, you're gonna it's gonna be like the, you know, the pole vaulting thing in the Olympics through somebody's window. All right, get after it. Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it. All right, we need to revisit here. So what have you been doing, Alex? What have you been up to?
Playing with race motors.
What else do you do?
Get after it.
What the hell have you been doing there, buddy? Besides growing a beard, he's getting after it.
There's some white shit going on here.
Oh, look at that.
Way too much.
You look like that guy Dan Aykroyd in the Trading Places. Get after it!
Get after it!
Well, guys, thank you for everything. Hey, what do we do?
You get after it.
We get after it. Do you get after it?
Always.
What do you do?
Get after it. At home,
Everybody gets after it. Hey, when he gets home, he gets after it. Hey, look at this dude up here. I bet you he even gets after it.
That's Mr. American.
Get after it!